Welcome everybody. Today I'm doing a video at work where I'm doing a tune-up and a carb clean on this Craftsman 6.0 horsepower 20-inch mulcher. Stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy. Getting ready to take off the carburetor, I noticed the fuel line right there is severely cracked, so I gotta replace that. And it goes back in there behind the cover, so I started taking off the gas tank, which is held on by 3 5/16 screws. Then I got the pull cover off, which was held on by 3 1/4-inch screws, and then I started taking out the screws for this cover. I only got 2 left, so I'm gonna get those out and then I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Yikes. Got the bolts removed for the carb, 3/8 on this side, 7/16 on this side. Over here I had to use my wrench to push on the spring over there, and then I had to, with my other hand, I had to hold the flap open so that I had more access with my wrench. And it was nice using my ratcheting wrench because it made it a lot quicker. If you guys don't have any ratcheting wrenches, I highly suggest you get some. I'm gonna demonstrate on how I take apart a carb to clean it. I'm gonna go by removing this flap right here. Here's the choke, I should say. And this thing will slide right out. Careful not to lose this spring right here, and that it goes back in its proper place. I'm just going to completely remove it. And this little washer slash bushing type thing, it's kind of like a piece of foam. I'm just going to replace that with a new one. And now go on to the bottom. Let's see if this emulsion tube will come out easily. If not, I usually leave it in because I don't like risking damaging them. And that one's not gonna budge, so I'm not gonna break it or do anything to damage it, so I'm just gonna leave that one in. And that one looks like it doesn't even budge. It doesn't have no exit. So now it's ready to be soaked. I'm gonna soak it in this stuff right here. The gunk general purpose degreaser. Stuff works really nice. Usually soak it for like 24 hours. And then run carb clean through it. Through the carburetor itself. I don't ever mix the two because one time I mixed the two and it looked funky, and I don't think it did the best job, honestly. It does better when you soak it in the gunk and then you spray the carb clean through it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss every part in here except for these 3 parts right there, but everything else goes in. Stay tuned for more. Okay, so now I'm going to be removing the blade with a 9/16, my Milwaukee. should have used an air tool for that, but it still worked. Did a good job. I love Milwaukee. So now I'm gonna start draining the old oil so I can add new oil as part of the tune-up. Oh, that was surprisingly really easy. Oh, that's cool. Show you guys something really quick. Not all drain bolts are like that. You can fit a socket around it in case you strip out the adapter part. That's really cool. But anyway, I'm gonna get to draining the oil. Got the blade clean and got it sharp. The side has a chip in it, so I'll recommend replacing it. Got the machine all nice and clean. Customer's gonna be really happy about that. I like always throwing in a little bonus for the customer, just so it makes them come back or just wants to be part of our business. We like our customers as well as we like our job. Over here I got these parts clean too. I got the dipstick tube clean, I got the pull cover clean, and I washed out the gas tank with Dawn dish soap and rinsed it till there's no soap coming out, and now I'm letting it completely dry before I reinstall it. Okay, so I got the new spark plug. It's the same part number 77-301-1. It's an Oregon spark plug. They must have had the same one on there before. And as I can already see that like the head of it was loose, so that could have been a problem if it wasn't starting. I'm not sure because I wasn't here when it came in. But here's the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. And I'm using the Craftsman torque wrench. You should never have this tighter than 15 foot-pounds at the most. So here I'm gonna show you. There we go, 15. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. I let the CARB sit in the gunk. I pulled the CARB out of the gunk, and every individual part that I pulled out, I sprayed with the CARB clean. And then after that, I sprayed every orifice and port of the actual CARB with the air hose. And look at how dirty that gunk was. All that nasty dirt came out of this carburetor. So it should run like new. Got it all back together, it looks really nice. I think the customer's gonna be happy. Freshly tuned up, freshly cleaned carburetor. Just an overview so you guys get to see it again one last time. Anyways, I'm gonna fire it up, show you guys how it runs. For more videos like this one, like and subscribe to Kenville Customs. It's not just small engine repairs. I do auto body stuff. I just do pretty much everything. And I like to show people how I do it, so I record myself. there it is. Runs good as new. Thank you guys for watching.